It was downright balmy this evening across the Suncoast with temperatures hovering in the upper 70s and low 80s after sunset. What a great night. It's still 69 degrees at the 11 o'clock hour, 76 down at Key West. And the only change we're really going to see is an increase in moisture in the interior part of the state, which will bring fog and low cloudiness settling in some areas. But it's going to be such a shallow layer, it'll burn off very quickly tomorrow when the sun comes up, and it'll be an equally warm day. We had some showers down around Miami and over the Everglades earlier this evening. They've thinned out, and what we're seeing coming in from the Atlantic is not going to make it this far. We take a look at this little pocket of the southeast. This is all that's left of the mild weather. If anybody living in here is enjoying nice weather. Anything to the north and west, it's wet, could be icy and snowy, and there's been a lot of snow lately. This is what we're going to call the El Nino jet. It's the subtropical jet, which El Nino is amplifying because of that warmth in the tropical Pacific, and it's been predicted for months that this will keep Florida unusually mild all winter long and wetter than normal, and that seems to be the case. And it's being locked into position by a ridge of high pressure all across Canada. It's been well above normal temperatures across Canada for weeks now, and the barometric pressure has been higher than normal, and it's forcing these storms to come in and travel across the United States, and it's also bottling up that cold polar air and keeping it from intruding into the south. But it's still been cold enough to snow up in the northern part of the country, and we do have advisories for that, and also raining quite heavily in the Tennessee Valley and down through parts of Dixie. Flash flood watch in effect all the way south to Atlanta, to almost to Charlotte and Roanoke, Virginia, and up north there is a winter storm warning in effect from the Twin Cities down to almost Omaha, surrounded by a winter weather advisory. We take a look at the snow cover over the United States. It's quite extensive, but there's going to be a fairly rapid warm-up. And I think everything from the Rockies eastward will melt by early next week. So then people will enjoy another little Indian summer spell, I think, across that part of the country. I want you to pay attention to the wind flow as we look at the forecast from the RPM computer model for the next couple of days. We've been getting a northeast flow for about a week or two. It's now been from the southeast, but as this front approaches from the north, winds are going to turn around to a more southerly direction and actually southwesterly. And by Tuesday and Wednesday, we will see increasing cloudiness, increasing chance of showers. And then when it does come through on Thursday, it will be joined by moisture from the Caribbean all the way down south, this surging northward past Cuba, and that's going to increase the rain chances significantly. If you're going out on the water tomorrow, it should be a beautiful day for boating. East winds 5 to 10. We'll have seas 2 feet with a light chop on the bay waters. Saltwater temperature 72. Here's the forecast for tonight. Other than the fog and low cloudiness forming in interior parts of our viewing area, it'll be mostly fair. Low temperature 66 degrees, average is 57. And tomorrow, a mostly sunny day after the morning fog, high 83, average 76, continued above normal. But look what happens by next weekend. Increasing clouds, chance of showers Wednesday night and Thursday. We peak out at a 60% chance at midday Thursday, maybe a lingering shower Friday morning, but Friday should be dry. Look, temperatures, Haley, back down into the 70s by Saturday and Sunday and Monday. We're going to break this little warm spell for a while.